Tucker, what is it? Oh no, you knocked over the hamster. Oh, Tucker, you knocked over the hamster. Tucker.
Really, you keep knocking it.
Come on, I'm videotaping you. Oh no. Oh, Tucker, the hamster. You want to eat the hamster? Oh.
You want a gentle touch.
Oh. There's Dan. There's Tucker watching the hamster. Oh, Tucker, you knocked over the hamster. You're happy. Tucker, oh, you're kissing the hamster. Nice. Uh-oh, the hamster's going. No, you don't eat the hamster. Hi, Tucker. Oh, the hamster's coming to get you. The hamster's walking. Oh, the hamster's coming to get you. Oh, the hamster's walking on your leg. Should the hamster come get you? Should the hamster come get you? Oh, the hamster's coming to get you. Oh no, Tucker. Oh, the hamster's coming.